Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a new contact in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged into Signal, you'll see your main screen with all your existing conversations and options at the bottom. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will take you to your Conversations view where you can see all your active chats and start new ones. This is the main hub where all your messaging activity happens in Signal. Next, you'll notice a pencil icon on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and tap on this pencil icon. This is Signal's Compose button, and tapping it opens up the interface where you can start a new conversation with someone. It's your gateway to adding and messaging new contacts within the app. Once you tap the pencil icon, you'll see a search bar appear at the top of your screen. Tap on this search bar to activate it. Here's where Signal becomes really flexible. You can search for a person using either their Signal username or their phone number. This means you have multiple ways to find and connect with someone, making it easier to reach out to people regardless of how they've set up their Signal account. After you enter either the username or phone number in the search bar, Signal will display matching results below. From the results that appear, tap on either the person's phone number or their name to select them. This action will immediately open a chat window with that person, allowing you to start your conversation right away. Now you're in the chat interface with your new contact. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a message box. Tap on this message box and start typing your message. This is where you compose whatever you want to say to your new contact, whether it's a simple greeting or something more detailed. Once you've finished typing your message, look for the Send button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap this button to send your message to your new contact. Your message will be delivered through Signal's encrypted messaging system, ensuring your conversation stays private and secure. One important thing to keep in mind: if you start a conversation with someone who hasn't chatted with you before, they may receive a message request. They'll then have the option to either accept or decline it. This is Signal's way of giving users control over who can message them, adding an extra layer of privacy and security to the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.